students, a warm welcome to all of you. So today we are going to do GK. The chapter is after school. Okay. So today we are going to do GK. The chapter is after school. What happens after you come back from your school? Now in this COVID time, we have told you that you are not going to school or coming back from school. But when the school reopens after COVID, what are the activities you are going to do? Those we are discussing in this chapter. So let's start. Just have a look at these pictures. Write A, B, C, D, E and F to arrange them in the proper order. So that you can do the actions when you come back from the school. Okay? Generally when you come back from the school, what do? You wash your hands, you keep your bag beside your study table, isn't it? Sometimes you take out the books and keep the bags on the table, but sometimes you keep the school bag as it is. Okay? Then you wash your hands. Okay? Just see this picture, the boy is washing the hands. After that, what do? You wear the home dress. Just see the boy is wearing the home dress and getting ready for having his breakfast. Okay? So after you come back from school, you leave the bag aside. See, beside this boy has kept the bag beside his cot. Okay? Then he is washing the hands. Wearing the school uniform and washing the hands. Why? Because after coming back from school, the one's hands become very dirty. Hands, your face, your legs, the outer part of your body becomes full of dirt. So you should wash them with soap and water. Then you dress up. This boy is dressing up after washing the hands. Okay, then after that, what is this boy doing? He is taking the breakfast. Okay, he is taking the glass of milk, bread, butter, egg boil, etc., etc. When you come back from school, your mommy prepares a very light meal for you, isn't it? So do you like that meal? Everybody likes that meal because your mommy prepares it with great love for you. Okay, so next, what does this boy do? After this, he studies. Just see the boy studying or doing the homework. You get lots of homework after you come back from school. Your teacher tells you, warns you that if you do not do your homework, I will give you punishment the next day. So this boy is also very sincere. He is doing the work in time and doing the work, completing the work for the next day. After that, what is this boy doing? He is relaxing because he has done his works. He has done all the studies and now he want to relax. And then he want to take his lunch, then dinner and go to bed. So this boy is also doing the same thing. He is, after doing lots of homework and all the activities, he is resting and watching the TV. Okay, so these are the activities and let me do it serially. Number one is the boy is keeping the bag beside the cot. Number two is he's washing the hands. He has not opened his school uniform as yet. After that, he opens the school uniform, wears his home dress. Just see, he's relaxing himself. Then after that, he takes the breakfast, the light meal that that his mother prepares after coming back from school. It may be bread, butter, egg boil, glass of milk, etc. Okay. After that, what does he do? This boy engages himself in his studies. He is doing the homework and all these things. Okay. Then after that, he takes his dinner and before going to bed, he just want to relax himself. So he watches the TV. Okay. So these are the alphabetical order of actions you do after coming back from school. Okay. So let me revise the first chapter again. Just the previous chapter. What comes first? Just have a look. All these are the actions in the group. We are arranging them in the order. So you have to write down which action you do first. Write A or B in the given box. First action we write A and then the second action we write B. So get up from bed. This is the first action. Okay, in this group. After that, what you have a glass of milk. This is the second action. Okay, just see the next group. Put on your socks and shoes. Wear your uniform. What do you do first? You wear your uniform, isn't it? So this is A and this is B. Put on your socks and shoes. Okay. Again in this group we are finding brush your teeth, have your breakfast. Which action you should do? Your teeth becomes very dirty. Okay. After you get up from bed or before you go to bed, so you should keep your teeth neat and clean. You brush your teeth first and then have your breakfast. Okay, otherwise dirt might enter inside your mouth. Okay, next is, in this group we are finding comb your hair, have a bath. So which is the first action the child should do? First is have a bath. After having the bath, he is combing the hair. Okay, next is catch the school bus, leave home for the bus stop. So after, just see, this boy is wearing the school uniform. He is getting ready for the school. So he leaves home for the bus stop. So this is the action, first action A. And in the second action, he just goes outside and catches the school bus. Okay. So these are also very important. Today we have discussed this chapter, and this one we have done in the previous day. So be very alert. Learn the sentences properly so that you can arrange them in the proper order. Okay. Till then, bye-bye.